Ubuntu versus BigLinux, which Linux distro is better? Choosing the right Linux distribution can completely change how you experience performance and usability without facing compatibility issues. Let's briefly explore both options. Ubuntu is a well-established, versatile Linux distribution known for its stability and extensive community support. BigLinux, on the other hand, is a newer player that focuses on user-friendliness and a visually appealing interface, making it appealing for newcomers. Ubuntu is one of the most popular Linux distributions, renowned for its robust performance and reliability. It operates on a regular release cycle, ensuring users benefit from the latest features and security updates. Ubuntu uses the GNOME desktop environment, which offers a clean and intuitive interface. Its strengths lie in its extensive software repository and strong community support, making troubleshooting easier for users. However, some users may find the default interface less customizable compared to other distributions. Ubuntu is ideal for developers, system administrators, and users who prefer a stable environment with a wealth of resources available for assistance. BigLinux aims to provide a more user-friendly experience, especially for those transitioning from Windows. It features a customized KDE Plasma desktop, which is visually appealing and highly customizable. BigLinux emphasizes ease of use, with pre-installed software that caters to everyday tasks, reducing the initial setup time for new users. While it may not have the same extensive support as Ubuntu, its community is growing, and the focus on a seamless user experience makes it attractive for beginners. However, being a newer distro, it might face occasional stability issues. BigLinux is perfect for casual users and newcomers who appreciate a polished interface and straightforward usability. When comparing Ubuntu and BigLinux, consider your needs. Ubuntu excels in stability and community support, making it suitable for users who require a reliable system for development or server management. Its vast software library ensures you can find almost any application. BigLinux, however, shines in user experience, offering a visually appealing interface and ease of use for newcomers. If you prioritize aesthetics and a smooth transition from Windows, BigLinux may be the better choice. On the other hand, if you need a proven, stable environment with extensive resources, Ubuntu stands out. Weigh these factors based on your experience level and usage requirements to make the right choice. For users seeking stability and extensive support, Ubuntu is the clear recommendation. If you value user-friendliness and a modern interface, BigLinux is an excellent choice. Both distributions have their strengths, so choose based on your specific needs and preferences.